Hi all, let's discuss about the weather and climate topic. Weather. Weather is a state of atmosphere for a particular area and for a particular period of time, which could change anytime. Further, temperature, humidity, air pressure, amount of clouds, fog and precipitation are some of the elements which make weather. Climate. Climate could be described as average weather conditions in an area over a long period of time. Weather elements. Temperature, precipitation, wind speed, wind direction, cloud cover, cloud type, visibility, and air pressure. Influence of weather and climate on crop productivity can be summarized as: the weather and climate are the important factors to determine the success or failure of agriculture. All the agricultural operations from sowing to harvest of crops depend on the mercy of weather. Climate determines suitability of a crop to a particular region, while weather plays a major role in the productivity of a crop in the region. The excess or shortage of elements of weather and climate exerts a negative influence on crop growth, development, and final yield. The effect of weather and climate is complex as elements of climate operate simultaneously in nature. Due to complexity of environment in which a crop is grown, it is difficult to assign an optimum value of a climate element to maximum crop productivity. Weather parameters with negative influence: excessive and untimely rains, scanty rains with prolonged dry spells, heat and cold waves, dust storms, thunderstorms and hailstorms, high winds and floods. Differences between weather and climate. Parameter of comparison is taken as time. Weather is a short-term situation at a new location which may differ from one location to another. Climate. It refers to the long-term condition of a region or nation averagely. Comparison is taken as effect. Weather. It can affect everyday activities and can interfere with transport, agriculture, and so on. Climate. Agriculture, industries, and the survival of the population are extremely affected by the weather. Parameter of comparison taken as changes observed. Weather. Changes can be observed quite often in weather conditions. Climate. Climate changes require time to be observed. Parameter of comparison taken as studied by. The meteorological department in each specific area studies the weather forecasts, and the specialization in the weather forecast is referred to as meteorology. Climate. It is analyzed by the Climate Prediction Center of a particular place, and the specialization in the study of climate is known as climatology. Thank you.